Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the equalizer on your Samsung TV. This is a 2024 model. So we're going to hit the settings button on the remote control, it's down the bottom left. And we're going to work our way down to sound using the arrows and then go over to the right hand side, go down to expert settings and we're going to hit enter, this middle button here, and we're going to go to equalizer and enter in there. And now we can move up and down each one. On the left hand side you will see that they're more the bass sounds, and on the right hand side it will be treble. So you can work your way across and you can, for example, put more treble on, and then you can go to close. If previously you've done this and you want to just reset it back to all the middle, rather than doing each one individually, you can go to reset and you will see that they will all just be back on the middle there. But you can have a play around and you can get the sound so it sounds good in your particular room. So that's it. That's how to do the equalizer on your Samsung 2024 model TV. Thanks for watching.